Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen that crude is trading at a level of $74.88. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, 67.04, that is where it is the point where we have seen the price is moving. Okay, and this level is already being tested here. If you look at this particular chart, chances are very high that if this level breaks further down, then we can see the next support coming at a level of 68. Okay, now it is trading in this zone. Now you can see today we have seen it has moved out of this particular zone, okay, and touched a level of 75.28. The strong support coming at a level of $74.90, okay, which is the half this zone. So if the zone breakout happens, then we can see it can move further upside. Okay, but if breaks this particular zone, then we can see it can go further down. Okay, this is the first thing. Second thing, what you can see looking at this particular chart, that there is a pattern forming. Okay, and this pattern forming is after pandemic. Okay, if you look at this particular pattern forming, what we can see that this is the pattern. Okay, this is the pattern, and what is this pattern saying? That whenever it is hitting its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall has come. Okay, and this sharp fall is from 10, 50 to even 100% fall we have seen. After that, there is a continuous fall we have seen. It has already made a high of around $130. After that, there is a continuous fall. For the sixth time it tries to make, but it didn't sustain that level. Okay, so what we can see looking at the chart for the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link in the description, you can join that too. See, overall probability is on a higher side, so chances are very high it can go further upside, and then we can see it can go towards a level of around $74.9. Okay, if the price sustain above that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $75.31, and if that level move further high, then we can see it can touch a level of around 76.25. okay, a level of 76.25, this is the half this particular zone. Okay, so once the price sustain above $76.25, it can cross a level of around $76.97, which is a resistance, strong resistance. As you can see looking at this particular chart, this is the resistance. So once it sustain above that particular level 77, you can say that it can sustain that level, and a probability of going towards $78.10 is there. And if the price moves above that particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of around $80.5 to a level of 81.68. okay, $80.5 to a level of 81.68, and if the price move above that particular level, it can go and touch a level of around 82.54. okay, so once the price sustain above 82.54, it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $83.56, and if the price sustain above that level, we can see it can go further upside. Keep that in mind. Once started sustaining above $77, chances of touching $85.5 is on a higher side. Okay, so if the price sustain above 83.56, chances of touching 85.5 is there, because there will be a zone breakout will happen, and a probability of going towards that particular zone will be there, because this is the half this zone. Okay, and that is already being tested here, so chances are very high it can touch a level of around $85.5, and then further upside the price sustain above that level. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain that particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain that particular level, it can move further down towards a level of $74.37. okay, if the price fall below that particular level, it can go towards a level of around $73.27. okay, now once the price fall below $73.27, it can go further down towards a level of around 72.76, and if the price move below that particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of 71.63. okay, keep that in mind. Once the price fall below $71.63, we can see it can touch a level of $70.96, and if the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $70.15. okay, now once the price fall below 70.15, then you can say it can go fall further down, and a probability of going towards 68 is there. Okay, Now once the price fall below $68, chances are very high it can go further low, and a probability is that once it move below this particular level of 68, a probability of going towards 67 will be there, and once it fall below that level, we can see it can touch a level of $63.74. Understand something, this is the zone. Once it move out of this zone, we can see it can fall further down. Okay, so if the price fall below 68, we can see it can fall further down. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, chances of touching a level of 65.29 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $63.27. Okay, now if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can fall further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.